Get into the G motivational track with an intense electronic beat, featuring gaudy, powerful maneuvering, uplifting lines. Red cinematic build-ups, aggressive sits, electric kick and pulsing bass. The tempo should be fast, but under visual motivation come to me. The feels electric build-ups, aggressive sits, electric kick and pulsing bass. The tempo should be fast, but under visual motivation come to me. Motivational track with an intense electronic beat, featuring gaudy, powerful maneuvering, uplifting lines. Red cinematic build-ups, aggressive sits, electric kick and pulsing bass. The tempo should be fast, but under visual motivation come